Take one. Scene one. Let's go! Go subscribe! Ball so hard, call it Tokyo Drift. Hit him in the back. What is up, guys? Fucking A. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy, if you're new here. My name's Chris. We do Mark 7 GTI content. We do Mark 6 Jedi content. We go fast, have a good time. If that's something that interests you, go down there and hit that subscribe button. Your boy's on that journey to 1,000 subscribers. That's a wrap. Alright, so this video isn't gonna make sense. I already filmed the intro yesterday, but that intro doesn't make sense for what's actually happening now. So, I'm redoing it. Today is day 2, technically. Yesterday, we met up with my friend Aidan and his new M4 he just got. A little bit of a, it's fucking spicy. He just did downpipes and an exhaust, and we were just taking pictures and stuff yesterday. Nothing crazy, and just ripping around a little bit, and got stopped by Dartmouth Security and Hanover PD and a bunch of good stuff. So, now I'll jump to that, which was yesterday, and then today, we're headed over to my dad's. We have like a whole 100-yard long zip line set up, and my dad's is always a good time. So that's where we're headed today. We're gonna rip, have a good time as always. I think that's it. Now this makes sense, because the intro I filmed yesterday doesn't make sense. But we're gonna do a whole video with Aidan soon and get like a whole reaction and ride along, because it sounds spicy and he said it rips. Let's boogie. Let's see if we can handle not scraping down the driveway. Bro, if I can get it down to a science where I'm not scraping, that means we can go lower, all right? And we need to go lower. Oh, sheesh, no scrape, let's go. Shit. Bro, there's nothing like driving a car that just like fucking makes you laugh every time you drive. I love this car so much. God, it's like not fast, you know? Like it doesn't have to be crazy fast. I don't have intentions on making this car like dummy fast. I just want it to be quick, respectably quick, but it sounds good. It makes all the right noises. It's a fucking smiles car, bro. You know what I'm saying? Even if the weather is absolutely trash, I still get in this and like just little shifts, the noises, like you know? Do you even modify a car, my guy? Let's go meet up with Aidan. Dude, I'm like hyped to hear this thing. He said it's super loud. Sheesh. Calm down. Eastbound down, load him up and truckin'. We gonna do it this I can't be done. He's literally right in front of us. Sheesh, is that a clean M4 comp? Oh, I already hear it. That sounds so spicy, bro. Let's go. Oh shit, bro. Oh shit. Oh shit. That sounds so good. It smells good. Yeah, it does. I'm trying to get some spicy pictures. I'm trying to find a couple good spots. It's kind of hard around here because the spots are like so far apart. It's hard to remember like what's actually good and what's not. It's so nice out, dude. It's 82 degrees. It's 6:30. Causing a ruckus. A juicy cold start, you say? Oh yeah, yeah, go ahead, go ahead. Oh, sheesh. Okay. Let's go! You know what I really love? Like, honestly, to my heart? Fruit punch. Hot dogs. Beef franks. Fruit punch. It's just a little bit different. I'll probably film on the GoPro like as we get a little bit farther out there because it's kind of dead now, you know, like it's kind of dead, my guy, so God, you're so wicked. Sorry, Jesus. Just trying to play with Benjamin's ears. You dig? Yo, are you Chris from Kenya's brother?
Oh my God,
are you the kid from the videos? Yo, the Shagwagon, back from the dead. I literally love this thing
Chris,
so much.
can you give me like a minute and a half?
You want some candy?
Alright, before I get stuck,
Yeah, get out before you get stung. This thing is so sick. Imagine this like lowered.
dude, this is gonna be my first car. We'll lower it, bag it.
That'd be dope. Yeah, put this on bags. It'd be sick. Some nice wheels. I'll fuck with it. Yo, peep the zip line. It goes from there all the way down into the woods down there. And then wait, and then we have the other one that goes from there across the river all the way over there. This is so sick. Yeah, let her eat. Let's go. Oh, dodge. Let's go. Go subscribe! This one's for America. Here it comes. Oh God! Oh, I'm bouncing! Yo, subscribe!
What's up, guys? What's this here?
As he falls in the river. Oh God! I got all of those twigs in my eyes. Yum, yum. Oh yeah, that'll do it. Oh God! Hey, you guys want to be on YouTube? Is that Chris from Kenya's grandmother? Whoa! There she goes. What do you say? Ready to end the video? What is good, bros? We're on day 3, I believe, and I gotta end this video really quick because I forgot to on the other camera while that's downloading clips real quick. Yeah, that was super fun. My dad's like, we've been clearing out the island across the river, and all that is zip line all the way down. We gotta tighten it up and tidy some stuff. Bro, I hate when my neighbors are like fucking staring at me. As far as Aidan's M4, we're definitely we should spend a day. I think we're gonna spend a whole day and we're gonna rip with them and get some real good clips, sound clips and everything. But we definitely had to see it, hear it, get some pictures real quick. So there'll probably be a whole separate video on that, and I got 3 or 4 other videos that I already have filmed that I'll be posting soon. So stay tuned. Don't forget, if you guys are new here, go down there, hit that subscribe button. We're at 764 subscribers this morning. That's a, bro, like I was just talking to Meg about it the other day, and like I gotta make this quick because it's dying. I was just talking to her about it the other day. I was like, yo, a couple months ago we had 100 subs. I can't say thank you to you guys enough. I love you. I can't do this without you. You guys are my family. This is sick, and this is what I want to do. So let's get it. You guys keep it real. As always, your boy will catch you in the next one. I'm fucking hyped. I hope you guys are loving these videos. I'm still waiting on side skirts. This company kind of sucks. I'm a little bit pissed, but I'll catch you next time. Just keep driving. Peace.